Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW M340i 50 Jahre Edition in Avus Blue Metallic with the ivory interior. All right, so this is the 2026 BMW M340i 50 Jahre Edition in Avus Blue Metallic, and we've got the ivory leather inside. I just hit unlock on the key, so we've got the DRLs on there. If I press and hold panic for 1 second, full low beam system on. That looks sweet with the double inverted L-shaped headlights. So let's do a lap all the way around the vehicle. So these 50 Jahre editions only come in these cool paints. We saw this very briefly at the auto show. I didn't get to do a full review on it, but it is here now in my delivery bay, so now I can share it with you and the rest of the world. So now that we've done this lap, let's take a closer look at all the details. So this is Avus Blue Metallic. Right where the light is hitting here, you can definitely see some of that metallic flake here. This is somewhere between, it's definitely much lighter than the Tanzanite. I think a slight darker than a Portimao. But all in all, this is a really nice color and just different enough that people may notice that this is not just your everyday M340i. This is the 50 Jahre edition. So we've got these lines coming down here. 4 lines, BMW rondel on the hood. One piece high gloss black kidney grille with the front facing camera and the honeycomb grille patterns with the active grille shutters behind. Down here we've got the radar with all the active grille shutters and such at the bottom here. And if I go ahead and press unlock on the key, we've got the headlight welcoming animation, which looks awesome. And no front plate bracket on here right now, also looks really good. So if we go and take a closer look at these headlights, these are the individual Shadowline BMW LED headlights. And all these little intricate patterns, and you've also got these little things down here that also illuminate. And overall, headlight design looks really nice. Now, because this is the special edition, we do have the 20-inch Y-spoke 795M wheels, and we've also got the blue M Sport brake back there. So these wheels we've seen, I think, also on the M Performance edition on the pre-LCI M340i. And some of our other special editions, 440s and stuff, I've seen these wheels. But they are in a very nice style, and 20-inch actually fills that wheel gap really nice. It says M Performance on one side there as well. Now, interesting, Canadian market, we don't have the M badge on the fender for this special edition. I think it looks cleaner that way, but one of the recognizing factors for some is the M badge on the fender. And just wanted to get the welcome light carpet on, so you can see that is this style of welcome light carpet that came out in the LCI2 of the vehicle. We also have the black M wing mirrors, power sunroof. This car was tinted, I think, but it does also have 35%. We did the tint here. Black window surrounds. We have touch comfort access on all 4 door handles. Hofmeister kink, new style antenna up top. There's your rear 20-inch 795M wheel. We have the black spoiler on the trunk lid. And if we come around to the back here, so we'll see the vertical reflectors on each side, freeform exhaust, M Performance muffler. We also have the special M340i 50 Jahre Edition badging here, which actually looks really sweet. And since I'm at the back of the car here, I've got the key with me. I can go ahead and give a kick underneath the middle. And once that opens up, you'll see inside we've got some carpeted mats. We do have the release levers up top as well to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. We also have the little grocery bag hanger. This side has a little netted area. So down here, wheel lock key and tow hook. And I'm just gonna pull this up. It always comes down from the factory. And on this side, we have a front plate bracket and a little storage bin. Up top, we've got a button to close, another one to close and lock, but we can certainly kick our foot underneath the bottom so we can have this closed the hands-free way. Beautiful. And over here on the passenger side, fuel cap door is connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 93 octane. BMW M recommends Shell V-Power. It's counterclockwise 1 click to open the cap. There's a little spot to put it, and when you're done, it's just clockwise 1 click. Now if we go ahead and open up the back door, you'll see that we have the beautiful ivory leather inside. So we've got the nice door panel with the contrast stitching. We also have the galvanic controls with your door pull and some ambient light here. Harman Kardon sound system, pockets, and in here, oh my gosh, look at these seats. Nice pattern here, soft, supple design. Center headrest can be flipped up or down. Armrest in the center with some cup holders. We also have a pass-through through the center here as well. And up top we have some reading lights. We also have a handle with a coat hanger on each side. And on the back of the center console we've got some vents, rear climate controls, 2 USB Type-C charging ports. We have the optional winter mats down here, and underneath the front seats there's also some more ventilation and more lighting as well. So let's shut this door and we'll go to the front passenger side door next. Alright, so if we open up that front passenger door, you'll see in here that we have more of that beautiful ivory leather, door pull, unlock lock, window switch, ambient light, Harman Kardon sound system, pocket, and then we have the special 3 Series 50 Jahre Edition door sill. So there's a sticker on that we haven't taken off yet. There's also lumbar on the passenger seat, manual under the thigh extension. Headrest is also manually adjusted, but look at these seats. And over here we have your glove box, which is illuminated. We have the carbon fiber interior trim. We have some nice stitching on the dash here with some soft touch materials. We have the curved display here with iDrive 8.5. We have the cascading ambient light, which I've currently selected Azure for. And on the lid of the center console here, we've got the 50 Jahre Edition badging. That looks sweet. Open that up, we have your wireless charger, USB-A, cup holders, 12 volt plug, and we have your glass push start button, iDrive controller, and the gear selector. And if I lift this up, you'll see that we also have a USB Type-C charging port in there, which is awesome. So let's shut this door and we'll go to the other side next. Alright, so if we approach from the driver door, open that up, we have the ivory door panel, unlock lock, memory buttons, window controls, side mirror controls, tailgate release by pressing or pull and hold while the key's inside to close, 3 Series 50 Jahre Edition door sill. Let me get these out of here. And a nice view of the front seats. The driver's side has lumbar and side bolster. And here we have the new flat bottom steering wheel with M at 6 o'clock. We got the M tricolor stitching going all the way around the wheel. Red marker at 12 o'clock. We also have the head-up display and the nice stitching going around the head-up display opening there. And if I just jump inside for 1 second. So I just wanted you to see that, oh, I didn't close that door properly. I just wanted you to see that this one actually has the 360 cam with automatic parking. So automatic front park, back park, parallel park, and backup assistant, which remembers 50 meters how you went forward and goes backwards the same way. We also have the 3D view that'll allow you to see all the way around the car, and you can also do this through the My BMW app. And in terms of cruise control stuff, so I'm just going to head into driving settings, and if we go to driving, you'll see that we do have assisted driving plus. So you can do cruise control that mitigates the speed, distance, and steers for you so long as your eyes are open. There's an infrared sensor right here looking at your face, and you have at least one hand on the steering wheel. And if you signal, three blink signal like this, car will change lanes for you. And at speeds below 60, Assisted Driving Plus will activate. So basically it just manages the traffic jam for you. So no hands on the steering wheel. You can just sit there until the speed increases above 60, and then you can put your hands back on and have it do the rest. Up top, we do have sunroof opening, lights, Garage door opener buttons here as well. Visor comes down, opens, comes out, extends as well. So all that is there. And we also have the SOS button for roadside. We also have the microphone for Bluetooth, handle. So that is all good. So let's exit the vehicle. And down here, you'll see that we've got your pedals. And here's your hood release. It's 2 pulls, 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front, we won't have to find anything underneath the hood. You just have to lift this up. And there it is, the beautiful B58 3-liter inline-6 twin power turbo. This one has 384 horsepower, 398 foot-pounds of torque. We have a positive battery terminal here, a negative battery terminal there, and washer fluid over there. So engine bay is sweet, and we also have up top 2 latches under the BMW hood. So you just need to have the hood roughly about halfway and just send her down. Wonderful. All right, so before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more lap all the way around. So there are only 100 of these made for the Canadian market, and this is one of them. They come in various color combinations. And as I mentioned earlier, this does have the M Performance muffler. So I've got the key with me. 1, 2, 3 on the lock button. And because the car is running right now, if I head over to the front, and we shut it off, 1, 2, 3 on the lock button again. Active grille shutter is open, front and bottom, or top and bottom. And once it's got enough air, which shouldn't be too long, it will close again. Yep, just like that. So, how do you like the 2026 BMW M340i xDrive 50 Jahre Edition in Avus Blue Metallic with the ivory white interior? All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW M340i 50 Jahre Edition in Avus Blue Metallic with the ivory white interior and 20-inch 795M wheels and the M Performance exhaust. So, if you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMWDurham. See you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.